departure day. I'm all ready to go. All the stuff is in our car, in the trunk. And now we're just gonna head off to the airport. Why are you in frame? Why are you moving? Yuck.
When did you arrive? Are we?
Hey guys, we're finally on the ship. As you saw, I will give you a little room tour later, but I just ate a few snacks that they made for us. We had like a safety meeting about like what to do in case of emergency. We met like the crew and everyone, and I just did a really quick workout on the deck. It's super cool. I'll give you a little tour of that too because it's so neat. And yeah, right now we're just heading to some destination. I forgot the name, and we're gonna go snorkeling there. Pretty exciting. And after that we're gonna have dinner, and after that I'm gonna shower and get ready for the night. I don't know if I'll be able to film all of that, but I'll try and film as much as I can. So see you guys soon and later. Hey guys, it's currently 8:47 and I just put myself a face mask because my skin went through a lot today, especially because of this very nice weather with the very hot sun. Anyway, before we ate dinner, I did some swimming. I think I already told you about that, but I didn't film obviously because I was in the water, and oh my gosh, I have to tell you about the food. It was so good. I hate fried food, and I forgot to take a clip of it because it was just that good, because I just devoured it. I hate fried food, but that, I forgot what it was called, but that was so good. And then the lava cake for dessert, oh my gosh, it was to die for. Let me tell you, it was like the best cake I've ever had, and I've had a lot of good cakes, and that was so good. I think like European pastries are like on a different level, like seriously. Oh yeah, so that's basically it for tonight. I'm just gonna start editing because it's gonna be a very long vlog, and then I'll just like head in to sleep or whatever. So bloated. We're gonna go swimming. I'm just wearing a t-shirt on top of my bathing suit because I don't want people to see me like revealed. I just finished taking a shower and I'm back in my outfit. My hair is still kind of wet, but I think I want to head down now and see what the others are up to. And before I go, I'm just gonna give you a really quick room tour because our room isn't that big. So when we enter, you have the bed, and we got a really nice view. This is the bathroom. It's kind of messy in there, so I won't show it to you. And here we have a closet where we just have our stuff, and we put our shoes in there, and we don't wear any shoes in the room. We're just at Korean. And this is like my little skincare, whatever, accessories. It's like 1:43 and at 2:30 I made a reservation for a massage. I was like, when I heard the news that there was I forgot what you call the person who massages other people, but that person is like on the boat. I was like my jaws dropped, and then like you know that like kind of like raising the eyebrows and smiles. I was like giving that back and forth with my mom. We're like, yes, thank you, Father Jesus. Like, can you believe it? So anyway, I want to get a massage done around 2:30. Ow! Sorry about that. We just ate and there's nothing really to do. So after the massage, let's see how it goes. I think my mom wants to go into town, but we might have to ask the people to drive us. Let's see what happens. Just got done with the massage. I literally slept through like half of it. It was like an hour-long massage, like a full body massage. Oh, that was so good. I'm gonna change and I'll see you guys afterward. Hey guys, so we're gonna start cruising in a little while, and I think we're gonna go on land today after we reach our destination, which I'm pretty sure is like another island. And so we're gonna be doing a lot more exploring, so I'm really excited for that because there's not really much to do on the boat except play games or go swimming, but I just started my period, so I can't go swimming. And plus I'm having like cramps. They're not that bad, but they're pretty uncomfortable. We're gonna eat lunch on the boat. I'm pretty sure they said that we're gonna have beef tartare for lunch, and I'm so excited because I never had that. It's basically raw beef. And for dinner, we're gonna go out to a restaurant that they reserved for us. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna change my outfit for that. I'm just still thinking and planning about what to do. Right now, I'm just like in the room chilling with my sister. She's like drawing on her iPad right now, but see you guys later.
A few moments later.
It's like 12:41 right now, and everyone else is eating lunch except me and others because the waves are crazy. Like, so much more. Compared to yesterday, there's a lot more waves. I don't have the courage to eat raw beef. I am feeling so queasy right now. Emma.
This is the path, isn't it? Open that closed.
아 이거 봐 너무 웃겨. Go go go. 보라색 케이크 뭐야? 거시기 빨대 찍지 말고. 비켜 비켜 비켜. We're back from the exploring. We went to that castle. As you saw, we went around town, but we didn't really visit any stores. We just looked at open markets on the side of the dock, and we just walked a lot, and my legs are killing me. I just took a really quick rinse and I like shaved so that I could wear this black dress. It was my mom's, but now it's mine. Anyway, we have dinner at 8. It's like super late. That's super late for me, but somehow European food doesn't make me so bloated in the morning. That's like crazy. I think I should stop talking now because like my words aren't making sense in my head. So I'll see you guys at lunch, dinner. Bye. 그거 어떻게 읽어? SANLORENCO. Go take it. Don't use your hand. Hey guys, so I'm back from dinner and it's like almost 10 now. In 10 minutes it's gonna be 10 and I'm just gonna finish up editing and then just get ready for the night. And I think I'll make a second vlog of the Croatia series because I'm already at like the 13-minute mark, and I feel like if it's any longer you guys won't be watching it. So if you did come this far, thank you so much for joining me on day 3. I think I should probably stop filming because I really don't know what I'm saying. Like, yeah. Good night guys, sweet dreams, and see you next week. Bye bye.